Okay, this is an important comment to respond to. Clean up first, which is a dog whistle. Let's break down what this comment actually means, because when they say clean up first, that's a dog whistle for something that's a lot darker. Point 1. Who gets cleaned up? What exactly needs cleaning? Because historically, when governments talk about cleaning up, they don't mean fixing poverty, corruption, or corporate crime. They mean erasing people. Migrants, labeled as invaders. Disabled, cut off from social programs or worse. Indigenous, further erased and displaced. Black and Latino communities, overplaced and pushed into poverty. Funny how the mess always seems to be marginalized people, while billionaires and corrupt officials keep getting richer. Point 2. The mess later line is a red flag. And do mess later? That's an admission that things are going to get worse. They're just laying the groundwork now. Criminalizing people, stripping rights, passing laws that make mass deportation and disenfranchisement possible. This is how it always happens. First they say we're just cleaning up. Next they'll say we're just following orders. And by the time people realize what's happening, it's already too late. Point 3. This is a fascist talking point. Let's be real. Every fascist regime in history started with this excuse. They always frame mass oppression as cleaning up for the greater good. But once they start, they don't stop. If you think you're safe because you're not a target yet, trust me, you will be. Closing call to action. So ask yourself, when they talk about cleaning up, what do they mean? And if they get their way, how long before they come for you? History repeats itself. Don't ignore the warning signs.